I'm gonna show you how to give somebody the link to your Facebook. As you can see, someone sent me email. They want to send me some products to promote. So they asked me, can I send them my Facebook link? So the only thing you want to do is go to Facebook. Once you're in Facebook, go up here to where you see your profile picture, and you just move your mouse on it. It says profile. You click on it. Then you go up here in this bar and you want to copy this. This is your profile link. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to go to a new incognito window and I'm going to paste this. So when I send this to the person and they go on the internet, this is what they will see. And that's all you have to do. Say for instance, you just want a person to see this particular post. You want to go here to where it says 1 hour, or maybe it says 1 day, 2 days. Just click on that. And then you go up here on the top and you copy. And we're going to do another new incognito window. And I'm going to paste it. And this is what that person will see. So that's how you copy links from Facebook. All right, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.